Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about a simple tactic I'm using to get 10 times more views on my Instagram story. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump on to my Instagram. Here's my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me, make sure you do that. I am at Ali Mirza 2K. Now, let's go to my Instagram stories and I want to show you some behind the scenes data. Normally, I don't get a lot of views on Instagram stories. I need to up my story game, but a simple tactic that I use, it's bringing me a lot of views. So I am gonna go into my stories. So this first story right here, look at the number of views, 554 views on this story. The next one, 95 or 96, 95. The next one, 74, and that's my average. My average on Instagram stories is about 100 these days. I need to up my story games, I know. But check this out, here's another one. So 383 views. So I am doing something different, right? On this story, 554, and then this story, 383, because these two stories have like 10 times more views than my average, actually more than 10 times. So what is it that I am doing on my account? So if you go look at this story, can you spot the difference? Can you see anything different? Well, I'll tell you. So I'm using right here, it's Instagram recently launched just a couple of days ago, support small business sticker. So you're able to use this sticker and then support local businesses, small businesses, and it's actually a win-win as a user. As you can see, you're getting a lot more eyeballs, but it also benefits the business because businesses can attract a lot more eyeballs, reach, engagement, and also followers to their account. So it benefits both me as the user of that sticker and also this business right here, Desi District, because that's the one I tagged. It's very, very cool, and I'm not doing anything special. That's the only thing that's pushing my views right now. Let's look at the other. Same thing is going on over here. So I'm supporting this business, OMG Taco Texas, and using that sticker, and that's it. I always try to use the location tag and a hashtag in my stories, but this story has like 10 times more views than my average. Now, the next question is, and by the way, the reason I believe we're getting a lot of views on those stories with the sticker is because Instagram from time to time, they do create a feed for that sticker right here. So your stories can get featured in that feed, and that way you can attract a lot of like new eyeballs and more reach on your Instagram stories. Now, obviously, you're probably thinking, how should we use that sticker, right? So I have on my YouTube channel just a couple of days ago, I have created a dedicated video, full tutorial, this video right here, how to support small business, how to use support small business sticker, because that's what that sticker is called, support small business sticker on Instagram. So I will link that video in the description below. So make sure you watch that if you want to learn how to use that sticker. And also right now, as you can see, just using that sticker is bringing me a lot of reach on my Instagram stories. And also I'll quickly show you right here. And basically the way you find that sticker, if you go to Instagram story camera, I'm just going to take a random picture and then go right here, the sticker icon. And then this is that new sticker right here, support small business. That's what the new sticker is. And guess what, guys? Both Instagram and Facebook are releasing new stickers and new features to help businesses during this lockdown, during this quarantine, because people are at home. So make sure you use these new features, because people who use these features, they get the extra benefits, they get the more reach and more views and more followers, and then you can grow your business on these platforms by just jumping on the new trends or new features from these platforms. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. And actually on the screen right now, I will link that video again, the video that talks about how to use the support small business sticker step by step. So click on that link and make sure you watch that video next. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.